In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your bank account in TurboTax Updated. Changing your bank account in TurboTax is a straightforward process, but only if the return hasn't already been filed and accepted by the IRS. Once your tax return is submitted and processed, direct deposit details can't be changed through TurboTax, so timing matters. Here's everything you need to know to update your account info safely and correctly. If you haven't filed yet, start by opening your tax return in TurboTax. On the navigation bar or side menu, look for the Federal or File section. As you proceed through the filing steps, you'll reach the Refund section, which asks how you want to receive your tax refund. Choose Direct Deposit, and from there, you'll be able to enter or change your bank routing number and account number. Make sure you double check the information. Mistyped account numbers are one of the most common causes of refund delays. For TurboTax Online users, once you're in the File section, select the option to edit your refund method. You'll see your current bank details, and right below, there will be an edit button or a pencil icon. Click that, and you can replace the existing bank account with a new one. If you're using TurboTax Desktop, the process is similar. Go to the Federal Refund step and edit your bank info before submitting. However, if you've already filed your return and it's been accepted by the IRS, TurboTax can no longer change your bank details. At that point, if the direct deposit fails due to a closed or incorrect account, the IRS will typically mail you a refund check instead to the address you provided on your return. Lastly, for refund advances or loans processed through TurboTax's partners like Credit Karma Money or Green Dot, the deposit info is tied to those accounts and typically can't be changed mid-process. You'll need to contact the refund provider directly to manage those accounts. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.